This is file 2, 4W834317.
Good morning, Judge DeAndre, on behalf of Ms. Hamilton. State your full name for the court.
Alicia K. Hamilton.
Can I take a peek here? She doesn't have the best record. I mean, I don't do this, but she's going to plead to retail fraud, 771.
Yes, Judge.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Hamilton?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty here, the possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. That's under local ordinance. Do you understand that?
Yes. Yes.
Did you sign the advice of rights?
Yes.
Did you read it and understand it?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights. There will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
For the charge of retail fraud, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I can't hear you.
Guilty.
Were you at Walmart at 2380 Allen Road in Woodhaven, May 14 at 24, 2:13 p.m.?
Yes.
Did you take property there offered for sale without paying for it?
Yes.
And it says here there was $100.88 worth of merchandise, true?
Yes.
And you did walk past the register without paying while the store was open to the public, is that true?
Yes.
Are you on probation?
No.
Parole?
No.
Anybody forced to plead guilty?
No.
Please accept it. All right.
Judge, I understand the court is probably wondering where Ms. Hamilton has been since this was May 2024. She's had some family issues. She had gotten sick for a little while, and then she was diagnosed with MS, unfortunately. Her daughter just gave birth, so she's helping her daughter out with her granddaughter. She
I need
will be
a
receiving
probation
Social
order.
Security in December 2025.
She'll be, okay. Anything else? I'm gonna just go ahead and sentence her now.
Okay.
Anything else you want to say?
No, just she's had a lot of family issues that she discussed with me, so she does apologize for her absence.
Ms. Hamilton,
Yes.
anything that you would like to tell me?
I just made a big mistake and I'm very sorry.
Why'd you do that?
I honestly don't know. I just made a mistake.
And Judge, the property was recovered.
Yeah, I get it. All right, so the agreement was it would be taken under section 771.1 for 8 months. If I've let everybody finish, I'm gonna go ahead and sentence. If I let everybody finish, ma'am?
Yes, Judge, thank you. Do you have anything else you want to say for the court?
8 months probation under section 771.1. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. If you change your address, your place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. I'm going to order that you not enter. You're not to enter 23800 Allen Road in the city of Woodhaven or any other Walmart store. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You're to serve 2 days of community service. 2 days of community service, you have to have that completed 16 hours. I'm gonna give you until, I'll give you until October 1st of 25.
Okay.
$100 fines, 75 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment, $300. There's probation fees of $160 plus attorney fees of $40. Your total's $500. You pay that, you stay out of trouble, you do your community service. I'll be happy to dismiss the case on motion of the prosecutor. If the person who was the third-party poster, James Garbajek, is he going to let you apply the bond?
Yes.
Okay, so he's going to have to make arrangements. You have to call, is he here?
No.
So is there a reason he can't come in or call today? I'm gonna let you go talk to Lisa.
He can call today. He works midnights.
All right, so you pay $180 today. Then how much can you pay monthly or weekly or bi-weekly?
I could probably pay monthly. I have no income yet.
How much monthly can you pay? $75?
About 100.
Okay. You pay 180 today. You pay you pay $100 monthly, and I'll start that beginning September the 15th. If you ever don't have the money, call the court. We'll go on Zoom or come in here on or before the due date. I'll give you an extension. Your review hearing date in this case will be in May?
I had April. Did I figure that wrong?
Yeah, April. April what?
April 1st at 9 o'clock.
So you're gonna go down the hall, get your notice. You're gonna go over to take care of paying that money, and you're gonna go over to probation and they'll instruct you. Okay?
Do I have to have him with me?
Go talk to Lisa. I think you're gonna just let him call in, right, Lisa?
Yeah, if he didn't sign it, then he can just call me.
Okay, so go down and talk to her. She'll give you the notice and then go see probation.
Thank you.
Stay out of here. Good luck. Do we have anything else down there? McLaughlin. Ariana Anne Marie McLaughlin. Well, I can get yours. What do you have next? Or are you Mr. Carmen? You have Ms. McLaughlin?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take this one and then we'll figure it out. Ariana Anne Marie McLaughlin, 25B149-179A and B. Okay, Mr. Carmen, your name?
Morning, Your Honor. Michael A. Carmen, P7324, on behalf of the defendant.
Ma'am, your name?
Ariana.
So we're going to adjourn this for clearances. You're going to have to fill out a petition for a court-appointed lawyer. I arraigned her at the conclusion of the arraignment. She said she wanted a lawyer. I thought I'd give her one and let you pre-trial. Now she's going to have to fill out a petition, though. I'm going to give you an adjournment. What are we going, the 27th, Lisa?
Yes, 27th at 10 o'clock.
So you have to go start taking care of those clearances, okay?
Okay.
All right, and you're going to get your new notice down the hall. It's August 27th at 10. Any questions? Thanks. Michael Anthony Franklin. 25B1491848 would be.
Michael A. Carmen, P7324, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Sir, your name.
Michael Franklin, Your Honor.
All right, does he stand mute, wait formal reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll enter a not guilty plea. $500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. I'll give you an adjournment. You go take steps to get a license. Give me a date if you would, Lisa. And you're gonna have to fill out a petition for a court-appointed lawyer today if you want another lawyer going forward, all right?
August 27th at 10.
Okay, August 27th at 10. Anything else, Mr. Kerman?
No, sir.
Thanks a lot. Go down the hall, get your notice. We'll see you back here, sir. Thank you. Sebastian Counts. 209-8745-2B.
Good morning, Judge Bianchi. On behalf of Mr. Counts, make sure full name for the court.
Sebastian B. Counts.
Where's he been?
He's in a treatment facility, share house.
I know, but he's not been here in 4 years. Where you been?
I was in active addiction. I just wasn't taking care of the things I was supposed to take care of.
This is a leaving the scene of a property damage accident, right?
Yes, Your Honor. So the property damage piece of this is gonna be dismissed because there really was just damage to Mr. Counts' vehicle. He had a tree.
Well, what's he doing with the other one? You got an expired license that wasn't addressed.
So the prosecutor looked up the drove while license expired, and it says dismissed on the register of action. It says dismissed by party. So,
Can you see that, Lisa, on file A? I don't even have the file A here. It couldn't have been dismissed, I don't think.
we look at the ROA, this was-
Did you
Where's
have A?
There's a note in here from 2021, dismissed by party. Ticket should not have been written due to mandates.
Okay. All right,
So I think-
good enough. So he's just gonna plead to what? Allowing an unlicensed driver? Is that what it is?
Yes, Judge.
If you plead to that, I'll dismiss to leave the scene. The possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail costs, or all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
To the charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Were you in control of a 2017, it looks like, Chevy that was being operated on Meridian near Groseal Parkway in Groseal, October 28 of 20?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you allow somebody to drive that was unlicensed, and was that you?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
Please accept it to that charge. To leave the scene is dismissed. I'll go ahead and sentence. Anything?
Judge, just like I said, he's a share house. He only works the front desk maybe a couple of days a week. So I would ask the court to take that into consideration when ordering the fines because he will need a payment plan.
Anything you'd like to say?
Just, I apologize and I'm trying to right the ship.
Okay, 100 fines, 200 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment, 4.25, 90 days. How much can you pay per week or bi-weekly?
I can pay 50 bi-weekly.
Okay, I'll start you on August. Can we start on August the 25th? That's a week from Monday.
Yeah, I can do that.
If you don't have the money, you come talk to me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Whether by Zoom or in person, on or before the due date, I'll give you an extension. Just don't ignore me, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Do we have one with the interpreter ready to go? Who's the defendant on your case?
He never checked in.
Laura Diego Sanchez, and I spoke with his attorney, Your Honor, and he does not appear to be here again.
Where's the lawyer at? Who's his lawyer?
It's an arraignment pretrial, Judge.
What is up with these guys?
He never showed up.
Well, I gotta get her out of here. Can you get the file for me? What city or township was that?
Oh, I don't have that out.
Tabitha, or,
It was a Groseal arraignment pretrial. Sans notes.
Jesus Christ.
I'll
Can you
look
go-
for the attorney.
Okay. I need that file. It's Groseal. Yeah, we gotta expedite that. Brianna Ray Barnier, 25B148-694B.
Good morning, Judge. Deanne Petit on behalf of Ms. Barnier. They just want to the court.
You didn't go over and set up for probation. I ordered a pre-sentence report.
Your Honor, I don't know if they have her right number, but she said she called a couple days ago. Court is today. Probation says that they called her.
Says defendant was ordered to appear in probation to complete PSI, July 30. Defendant did not appear. Probation attempted to call defendant on phone and police report. Call would not go through. Busy signal only. August 8, probation attempted to call defendant again. Still no response. You got to go over and get a pre-sentence report done, okay? We're going to reset the sentence, but I don't know why you didn't go over there. I think I made that clear. What day are we doing, Lisa? August 27th?
Yes, 8:30.
At 8:30. Go over to the probation department. Wait a minute. Go down, get your notice, and then go over to the probation department and get your PSI done. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
I need the lawyer on that case.
He'll be right in your office.
Thank you. Mora Diego Fernando Sanchez, 25I-415-027. I'll tell you, I'm getting uptight about these guys. We get them interpreters and they don't show up. Come on up here, Mr. Wayne. So, I don't know what's going on, but so the interpreter case, is your name?
I'm sorry.
I need your appearance.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Wayne on behalf of Groseal Township.
I don't know what's happening. I get these interpreters, we're paying them money and money we don't really have a lot of, and no disrespect to Ms. Villarreal, she does a great job, but then these characters aren't showing up. I'm getting a little uptight about it. I mean, I'm gonna issue a warrant for him. I don't know why did we cancel the warrant on July 30? Do you remember, Lisa? It looks like defendant didn't show up then either. Maybe I'm wrong.
He was scheduled for July 30th. I'm assuming he was here.
Yeah, he didn't show up then either, did he? Anyway, this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna issue a bench warrant. I'm gonna forfeit the bond.
Oh,
And
Judge, it was all in the same day, so I'm assuming he showed up late.
I'm gonna say 5,000, 10%. Warrant to issue, bond to be forfeited, 5,000, 10%. I'm sorry we had brought you in here, Ms. Villarreal. I really am. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Thanks, Mr.
You
Wayne.
too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Nicole Pish, or Pish, Nicole Marie Pish, 24W833-913, A and B, and I also have, that's it.
Derwin has got Nicole Fish.
Your name, ma'am? You know, it's getting to be the rule, not the exception, that these people show up years later. I don't get it. I'm gonna lock the doors one of these days. I don't get it. I just don't understand it. Where you been? Yeah, you.
I tried to call to see if I could get another,
Oh.
date. My kids.
And what are we doing? It's telling you no? What's that?
My daughter had broken her arm, got hit by a spider. I
Ma'am,
had to drop my school.
ma'am. This ticket was issued in March of 24. This is August of 25. And I know this because I know I feel a lot older in August of 25 than I felt in March of 24, and that's been 17 or 18 months. I'm just saying, a lot more pains and all that other stuff that goes
And
along with it.
honestly, I never got the court date.
Oh, boy. Did they give you the ticket? They gave you a ticket, right?
Yes.
And it said to show up, right? It said to call the court within 10 days. We sent you a notice. Do you live on Ogden?
Not anymore.
When did you move from Ogden?
A long time ago. A long time ago, I had lost that house.
Before March of 24?
Yeah.
Well, why'd you still have that license, that listed? Why'd you have that listed as your address with the Secretary of State if you moved out of there a long time before that?
I haven't had, I didn't have a way to get there to change my address at that time, yeah.
What am I supposed to do with this? You tell me. She's standing mute, waiting, waiting?
Yes.
Do you work, ma'am?
No, not right.
How are you supporting yourself?
Well, I was working in Point Island, but I'm trying to go back to the airport. It's a better job. So it's what I need to do.
So her license is still suspended. She needs to get everything cleared to be able to work at the airport, so she came in today.
I even said she could appear by Zoom in March of 24. She must have had communication with my judicial clerk. Does she have money with her?
No.
Of course not. Of course not. So now she brings her kids, right? Brings her kids. Are these your two children?
Yes.
I think the system's failing. I really do. What am I supposed to do now? Lock them up, lock her up and let the kids, we can. I don't remember things being like this, Mr. Haynes. I don't remember people thinking they could walk in a year later, 2 years later, 5 years later, 7 years later and act like they're coming here to dinner. I'm serious. I just don't remember them doing this so much until the last few years. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if Cole would. Give you a $500 personal bond. Next time, if you miss again, you better not bring your kids or bring a lot of money, like $1,000, because that's what I'm gonna set as your bond, and you're gonna be sitting back there until you can post.
Okay, Your Honor.
Do we understand one another?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stop playing games on this. Lisa, give me a date.
August 20th at 9:30.
Do you understand that?
Yes, Judge.
Do you have an address for us?
You can have you're gonna have my mom's address.
You give that to my judicial clerk when you walk down the hall. Okay?
Oh.
If you haven't changed your license yet, or your address, you gotta clear all your suspensions, whatever they are. And by the way, you owe $195 on this improper plate ticket.
Yeah.
So you better come up with some money, okay?
Oh.
How old are your kids?
4 and 6.
Wow. How you guys doing? You enjoying the courthouse? Yeah, I'm just having fun. Relax. I don't know why I'm having fun with people not showing up all the time. Pretty soon, he's gonna walk in a year and a half later and say, I couldn't get a ride to work. What did I give him? Did I even give a date yet?
August 20th.
August 20th. Down the hall, get your notes. I wish you well. Good luck. Have a good day. Be more responsible, please.
Yes.
Thank you. Cole. Marcel Cole. Marcel LaQuinn Cole, 25B1486628 and B.
Yes, Marcel Cole.
Who's your lawyer?
Colin. Oh.
Come on, stay right there.
Judge.
All right. So you're gonna, well, let's wait. All right, Ms. Patillo, your appearance.
Deanna Petit on behalf of Mr. Marcel, did you already say your name?
Marcel.
It's Mr. Cole. Marcel's his first name, right?
Yes.
It's okay. All right, so he showed up on time, one of the few who've done so. And he stood mute, waives formal reading, and now you're gonna have him plead, or the prosecutor is agreeing to let him plead to allow an unlicensed driver to drive, and distracted driving, to suspend and no insurance to be dismissed. True?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that what you wanna do?
Yes, sir.
Do you have insurance now?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, that is punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. If you plead to distracted driving, that's 0 points. You won't get any points, and I'll dismiss both the other charges on motion of the prosecutor. Do you understand that?
Yes,
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights. There will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
To the charge, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Yes, sir.
Were you in control of the 2021 Chevy that was being operated on Telegraph near Sibley in Brownstown, July 20 of 25?
Yes, sir.
And you were unlicensed or suspended at the time, true? Are you on probation or parole?
Yes.
For what? For what?
For the charge of the automobile, 3 months ago.
You have an OWI on your record? That was in Plymouth?
Yes, sir. October 30.
All right. Do you understand by pleading guilty, this would be deemed a violation of your probation? I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Do you still wish to plead guilty?
He has some more questions, Judge, we can ask him that.
Because I'm so close to getting you.
I can't hear you.
I'm waiting for the hearing for the Secretary of State at any time now for the hearing to get fully reinstated, so.
Well, that's Secretary of State.
Are you on probation to that court?
Yes.
I'm just telling you, by pleading guilty, July 20 incident, if you were on probation then, that probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated on that charge as a result of this plea and conviction. You understand that? I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
You still wish to plead guilty?
He wants to ask a couple more questions. It won't be long.
I understand. No problem.
Thank you.
Okay, just one second.
Do we have this defendant, Mr. Balint, here?
Your Honor, I just spoke to him.
He'll be here? So he needs to be set up with a lawyer.
He'll be here in about 15 minutes.
Okay, good. So we'll set him up with a lawyer then, okay?
If you need me for anything.
Well, probably not. I think I'd. Do you have something to do? Are you really important?
I'm all yours.
Yeah, I think I'd prefer you wait on this one.
Okay, yeah.
And I'll arraign him as soon as he gets here, but he'll have to speak to a lawyer, so
Okay.
we'll give him a lawyer. What's your name in the back, sir?
Jonathan Johnson.
What time is your case scheduled?
We already did his judge.
I did his?
Yes.
I did your case?
His were, I believe his was an adjournment.
Was yours an adjournment?
Possibly, but I did.
Did you come up and stand in front of me right here at this podium?
No, sir.
Okay. Did you talk to a lawyer?
Well, I was on the phone.
All right,
because I didn't
hang on.
Caitlin submitted a STIP form this morning, that he wasn't able to make it, so you adjourned it this morning, and I have it right here.
You're the one who said you couldn't get a ride?
Yes, sir.
Well, how'd you get here then?
Try my best, so.
All right. Lisa, we have that file I sent down.
Yes, you want me to run it down?
Yeah, we might as well try to take care of that today now that you showed up.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I apologize, Your Honor.
You're okay. At least you made it here. All right. I don't know what she's looking for. So this guy was the one I adjourned because they said he couldn't make it.
Right, Dino just talked to him, I guess.
No. And so now we're gonna have him set up with Caitlin. But he's gonna have to get, Lisa's bringing the file, so. No, that's not him.
Oh, I don't know who you're talking about that. I don't know who that is. What? You didn't check on me. What's your name? Joseph. Oh.
We called that at 8:30 or so. Or 9, I don't know. She sent it in and said he couldn't get a ride, so I agreed to adjourn it, but now he showed up, so I might as well set him up with whoever he's to be set up with. I don't remember if that was an arraignment.
What was his last name? Johnson?
Yeah,
Not even on the docket.
He's at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Oh.
Was that a drunk driving or suspend?
Where's his file?
Yes, it's operating.
The break that, he's just got it. Mr. Johnson.
Right here.
Where is she?
Insurance.
Oh.
Okay, operating on tax. So,
Just show it. Don't tell me.
here, can I see that?
Want to see it?
Yeah. I think this was just an arraignment.
Yeah, just kind of.
Come on up here, Mr. Johnson. Yeah. People against Jonathan Patrick Johnson, 25B148931. A and B and C and 25B148932. Your name?
Jonathan Johnson.
So you're charged with operating while intoxicated, resist, hinder, and obstruct an officer, open intoxicants, and refuse a PBT. You have the right to a lawyer. If you want a lawyer, I will give you one at public expense. Do you understand that? Would you like a lawyer?
Can I just speak, say something?
Let me give you a lawyer, okay? This isn't really the time to talk. This is an arraignment. And I think I'm gonna give you a lawyer. You should get one on these, all right? So I'll set you up with a lawyer. And that lawyer will talk to you. See who we can get to kind of expedite this one, John. And then you'll come back in front of me, okay? You all right?
Supposedly the situation.
Well, just relax.
I was at a family function.
Listen.
Tell the family.
Listen, you gotta just talk to your lawyer first. You don't wanna be making any admissions here. I was drinking, I was drunk, I was driving, you don't wanna be doing that. Talk to your lawyer, just relax. Talk to the lawyer, and then the lawyer can come in here and represent you appropriately, okay? All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You know what?
From the outset, Judge McNally showed exactly why he's respected, calm, clear, and steady in making sure everyone understood the weight of the proceedings without making it intimidating. His demeanor was fair, and he handled each participant with patience, even weaving in a touch of humor to lighten the room when appropriate. You could tell he wasn't rushing through. He wanted everyone, especially the younger party involved, to fully grasp what was happening. The defendant, Mitchell Thomas Chauncey, came across as composed and straightforward. His responses were short, but direct, giving the impression of someone who knew what was being asked and took it seriously. No games, no sidesteps. Just an acknowledgement of the legal realities he was agreeing to. His daughter Briley, only 15, carried herself impressively well for someone her age. She was respectful, gave clear answers, and showed maturity that likely reassured both the court and her family. Watching her affirm that she wanted this adoption to happen, and that it was in her best interest, was a grounding reminder that these proceedings aren't just about paperwork, they're about real people building family bonds. On the presenting side, the attorney did a thorough job walking through the exhibits and making sure the necessary documents, birth certificates, divorce decrees, marriage licenses, were properly entered. It wasn't flashy lawyering, and it didn't need to be. This was about clarity and ensuring every box was checked so the adoption could move forward without issue. No one looked unprepared, and the questions were asked in a straightforward, efficient way that fit the seriousness of the matter. The standout, though, was the testimony of the soon-to-be stepmother, Brittany Page Chauncey. Her demeanor was warm but steady, and she didn't hesitate in affirming her willingness to assume full legal responsibility for Briley. It's one thing to say you love someone like a daughter. It's another to stand in court and put it into legal terms that carry obligations as real as any biological tie. Judge McNally, in true fashion, made sure she understood what that meant, not just the legal responsibilities, but the everyday ones, financial, emotional, educational, and yes, even having veto power over which boys Briley might date. That bit of levity from the bench helped put everyone at ease and highlighted the judge's ability to make these weighty proceedings feel human. The overall atmosphere of the courtroom was calm. The judge even took time to acknowledge Briley's aspirations of becoming a speech pathologist, giving her a moment to be recognized not just as someone in a legal process, but as a young person with goals and dreams. That's the kind of touch that makes these hearings memorable. So, what we saw wasn't a dramatic clash of attorneys or a tense standoff between parties, but rather the system working as it should, documented, confirmed, and sealed with a judge's careful consideration and a family's commitment. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one.